Welcome to Scriptico. Today, we will take a look at the terminating iterators found in the itertools module of Python. These handy functions return a single iterable by processing all elements in the input iterable, simplifying data management. Let's take a closer look at three key functions: accumulate, group by, and chain. First up, we have the accumulate function. This function allows us to perform cumulative operations on an iterable. By default, it computes the sum, but you can specify other binary operations too. Let's see it in action with an example. In this snippet, we utilize the max function within accumulate to track the highest number we've encountered in the list at each step. Pretty neat, right? Next, let's discuss the group by function. This function groups consecutive items in an iterable based on a key function. It's perfect for classifying data efficiently. Here's a simple demonstration. Here, we classify tuples into groups based on whether they are fruits or vegetables, utilizing the second element of each tuple. It's a simple yet powerful way to organize your data. Lastly, we have the chain function. This function allows you to combine multiple iterables into a single continuous sequence. Let's take a look at how it works. In this example, we merge three separate lists into one and iterate through them seamlessly, showcasing how chain can simplify handling multiple sequences. And there you have it. We've covered the accumulate, group by, and chain functions from the itertools module. These terminating iterators can greatly enhance your ability to work with data in Python. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Scriptico for more exciting programming content. Happy coding!